Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can disable zoom on your iPhone. Please friends, put your likes under this video. Also be sure to write your comments after watching and subscribe to our channel. So dear friends, let's get down to our topic. And if you have, for example, in my case, zoom is enabled, and you either have these big icons that you can move around the screen, or you've got this magnifying glass on the screen, and you can move it around, and you can see the icons at this big size. And let's say you want to disable that zoom feature. What can you do? Well, first of all, you can use 3 fingers to press the screen of your iPhone twice. Just like that. And now, as you can see, the icons have shrunk back to their usual size. Or alternatively, if you have the magnification glass, it will go away. But this way you're not disabling the zoom feature completely, so you'll just go back to the original size of your screen. In order to completely disable zoom, you'll need to go into the settings. Then here, select this option, and this is where you'll find zoom. Go to it, and to turn it on, just click on this button at the top. And then, friends, when you go back and try it again, let's say you want to zoom in somehow. As you can see, you can't do that because the option is now disabled. And 3-finger tapping will no longer work on your iPhone. This is the method, friends, you can easily disable the zoom function on your iPhone. I really hope this video helped you and was useful, friends. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Put your likes under this video and write your comments. Take care, friends.